In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the divider color in Notion with this quick and easy tutorial. Notion is a versatile tool for managing your workspace, be it for personal projects or collaborative efforts. And while it's aesthetically pleasing out of the box, customizing it to your taste can make your experience even more tailored and enjoyable. So, let's dive right into changing the color of those dividers to add a personal touch to your Notion pages. First, you need to make sure you're logged in to your Notion account. So, head over to your preferred web browser and go to the Notion homepage. Once there, click on the Login button. You'll need to enter your credentials if you aren't signed in already. If this is your first time here, you might need to create an account. But assuming we're here to get straight to customization, let's proceed with logging into your existing workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. This area is your central hub, where you can access all your pages and workspaces. From here, find the page where you want to change the divider color. You simply need to click on a page to open it up. It could be a page you're currently working on, or even a new one you've just created for experimentation. Now that you're on your desired page, it's time to introduce a divider. You initiate this by typing in callout. This command allows you to create a callout box, but don't let that confuse you. It's just our initial step in playing around with the visual elements. Next, focus your attention on the 6-dot handle that appears to the left of your callout box. This is essentially the control center for modifying and interacting with blocks in Notion. Hover over and click on this handle, which opens up a range of options for customizing your block. With your handle options visible, you'll see the color option. Clicking on color will present you with a spectrum of choices. Notion offers a variety of colors, so here is where your creativity takes charge. Choose a color that you think will add the right touch to your page, complementing the rest of your design aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the divider color in Notion. Adding this splash of color doesn't just personalize your workspace. It can also help organize and visually separate different sections of information, making navigation through your projects even smoother. Experiment with different colors to find what best suits your mood or the theme of your project. Enjoy your newly customized Notion page, and feel proud of the enhanced personal touch you've given to your workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!